Baji.
Good morning. Good morning, Isabel. Hi, Brylin. Hello, Brylin. Hello, Rian.
Hi, Preeti.
So nice to see you all. Good morning, Miss Preeti.
Good morning.
Good morning, Nate. Dio, come on. Good morning, Miss Wee. Hi, Isabel. Hi, Rian. Hi. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday.
Happy morning.
Happy Monday. What are you eating, Isabel? You're eating your breakfast? Hi, Ahana. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh my god.
Brylin, you had a green cup with you. Where are you? Where's your green cup?
That's a baby.
Baby cup. Hi, everybody. Hello, Margot. Hello, good morning, Margot. Good morning, Miss
Good
Anu.
morning, Miss Ethan.
Oh, we have everybody. Mr. Ethan.
Hi, I said Miss Ethan.
It's okay. Hi, Margot.
Mr.
Hello, Nate. We are going to...
Ethan.
Okay, let me... Friends, we are going to have lots of fun today. We are going to do some tasting today. We are going to learn about senses. Okay? So before that, we will sing our hello song, for which we have to clap, tap your head, touch your toe,
Turn around.
and turn around. Okay? Ready? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
One,
One,
two,
two, three. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? One, two, three. Can you tap your head? One, two, three. Can you touch your toe? Touch your toe. Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? One, two, three. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? One, two, three. Can you tap your head? One, two, three. Can you touch your toe? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Hello, friends. A very, very good morning to you all. We are so glad to see you today. So, before we... Duty, come on. Before we learn about the five senses, we want to sing a song for you about the five senses. How does that sound? Okay, ready? When I use my tongue. Can you show this, Dew? When I use my tongue, I can taste bananas. When I use my tongue, I can taste bananas. When I use my tongue, wait, once again. When I use my tongue, I can taste some crackers. Can you taste crackers with your tongue? Yes. Can you show your tongue, everybody? Show me your tongue. Can you show me your tongue? Duty, can you show your tongue to your friends? Okay. When I use, good job, Margot. When I use my tongue, when I use my tongue, I can taste the crackers. When I use my tongue, I can taste some chocolates.
Evidence.
Okay? When I use my ears, where are my ears? Can you show me your ears? Ears. Can you show me your ears, everybody? Ahana, can you show your ears? Great job, Nate. Good job. When I use my ears. Isabel, show me your ears.
Look at my ears.
Ears, where are your ears?
Look at my ears.
When I use my ears, I can hear the birds. Can you hear the birds? Give me a second. Can you hear the bird? Can you hear the tweet? Chickadee sound. Can you hear the chickadee sound? Everybody give me a thumbs up. When I use my ears, I can hear the birds. Good job. When I use my ears, I can hear the drum. Okay, let me play the drums for you. When I use my ears, I can hear the music. When I use my ears, I can hear the music. Can you hear the music? Give me a thumbs up, everybody. Great job. Okay, now let's go to the activity. I hope you are able to see the table set up. Okay. Let's go back to.
Yep.
Okay, friends. If you have sugar or salt at home, parents, friends, you can get sugar and salt and do the activity with us. Okay? If you have mango or apple, you can taste it and tell daddy or mommy if it's sweet or salty. Okay? If you have chips or salt crackers at home, you can taste it and tell mommy if it's sweet or salty.
These are sweet.
Okay,
these are
I'm
salt.
going to give Dyuti something. She is going to tell me if it is sweet or salty. This is a white powder. I don't know what it is. She is going to tell me if it's salt or sugar. Okay? Dyuti, here's a spoon for you. Can you try a little and tell your friends? Little, yeah.
It's salt.
Is it salt?
Yeah.
Oh, so she says it is salty. It is salty, friends. It is salty. Okay.
I love this.
She likes salty food. Okay. Let's try.
No, I like this.
Okay. So she is going to try another bowl of white powder and tell me if it's sugar or salt. Okay.
I love this.
Okay.
I love this.
Okay. Can you try it?
Oh, it's sweet.
Is it sweet? Do you like it? She says it is sweet. It is sweet, okay? She likes sugar. So, she said it is sweet. I'm going to keep it under sweet. You want some more? Okay, you can have some more.
It's
Okay. Dyuti? Yeah. That's good.
Wow. That's all.
That's all? Okay. So I'm going to keep salty food under salty and sweet food under sweet. Okay? This says salty. This says sweet.
I love.
Okay. Now friends, I have lot of food here. I'm going to come close by and show you what and all I have. I have some crackers.
I love that.
I have some chips.
I love that.
I have some M&Ms,
Yep, Peter.
okay, and I have some bananas,
Oh, yeah.
okay. Now I will ask one by one. I want everybody to have a turn. Okay, Rian is first on my screen, okay. Dyuti, come sit here. We are going to sort salty food and sweet food. Rian, can you unmute yourself? I'm trying to unmute you. Okay, Rian, I'm going to give Dyuti some bananas, okay? What do you think? Do you think bananas will be sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Oh, you
Yeah.
think bananas will be sweet? Okay, Dyuti, can you try it and tell Rian if he is right?
Wait. Wait.
Okay.
It is.
What is it?
You're kind of like sweet.
Oh, Rian is correct. It is sweet. Do you like bananas, Rian? Yeah.
Rian has a Rian has something to show. Rian.
Rian, do you have something to show too? Okay. What do you have, Rian?
Honey and cracker.
Okay. Okay.
Honey and cracker.
Wait.
Sweet.
Honey is sweet.
Which is sweet and which is salty?
Sweet.
Honey.
Salty.
Okay. What is that? What is that sweet?
Honey.
Okay. And what is that?
Salty.
Cracker is salty. Would you like to taste?
That's great, Rian. Rian said that honey is sweet and cracker is salty. I'm very glad that you participated. Very nice. Very nice. I'm very impressed. Thank you, Mommy, for helping.
I'm also impressed.
Yes, she's also impressed. Okay. Okay, next on my screen is Ahana. Ahana, can you unmute yourself? Is Daddy beside you?
Oh,
Okay, Ahana, I have chips with me. So this is banana, okay? This is chips. Ahana, do you think chips are sweet or salty?
Anna,
one tip.
You want chips? You want chips?
Salty.
Wait, I think Daddy has gone to get some chips. Ahana, we are waiting for you, okay? When I use my tongue,
Come here.
I can taste some chips.
chip.
Okay, she has chips. She's going to taste it and tell me if it's sweet or salty.
Anna, what is the taste? Anna, it is salty. Or is it sweet?
Is it sweet, Ahana? Is it sweet like chocolate or is it salty?
Yeah. Anna, it is salty. Say it is salty. Say. This is salty.
Salty. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Ahana. Good job. It is salty, my friends. Chips are salty. Dyuti, you want to try? Did you try
I
it?
tried.
Is it salty, Dyuti? Yeah. It is salty. Potato chips are salty. Okay, so I'm going to keep it under salty. Okay, next on my screen is Margot. Margot, can you unmute yourself?
Let's tell her what you have.
What do you have, Margot? Do you have something? Wait.
Apple chips.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chips and Cheez-Its. Cheez-It. Okay, Margot, do you want to taste it and tell me if it's sweet?
Is it sweet or salty? Sit down, speaking to you.
Salty.
What is the cheese it?
Salty.
Salty.
Cheez-Its are salty. Good job. I am so impressed. How about chocolate chips?
Are they sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Very good. I'm so impressed.
I am very impressed.
I'm so much interested about all the kids.
Good job, Margot. Margot, do you see on my screen? I have M&Ms.
And I am so impressed about all
Everybody, thank you, Dyu.
Yeah.
M&Ms are, do you think M&Ms will be sweet, Margot? Yeah? She's busy eating. I'm glad. I'm very happy. Isabel, can I unmute you? Is mommy beside you? Isabel, Dyuti is eating M&Ms. Do you think M&Ms will be sweet or salty?
I know. More.
What is she eating, Mommy? What are you eating, Isabel?
Salt.
Oh, she's eating salt. You want more salt? That's nice to hear.
I want more salt of this.
Not salt.
She loves salty food. That's good to know.
I like this and this.
Okay.
Look.
Okay. So, friends, I need someone to unmute and tell me if M&Ms will be sweet or salty. Can any one of you unmute and talk to me? Anybody? Isabel or Margot or Ahana or Rian?
Me.
Isaac. It is sweet, Rian. You are right. M&Ms are sweet. Isaac, I'm going to give you a turn. I was just waiting for everybody to have a turn before I give you a turn. Okay, M&Ms are sweet. Rian, thank you, Rian.
Chips and apples.
You have chips and apples too? That's great. Are apples sweet? Did you taste the apple? Are apples sweet? How about chips? What chips are those? Are they veggie straws or potato chips?
Potato chips.
Potato chips. Are potato chips salty?
Yes.
Yeah. Isaac, I have a cracker. I have a Monaco cracker. It is kind of salty. I told you the answer. So she's going to eat and tell me if it is salty or sweet. Okay?
I know.
Can you taste it? You don't have to have it in one bite. Thank you. She said these crackers are salty. They are salty. Okay? So friends, we tasted and we sorted the food. You know what else you can do? You can cover your eyes with a towel or a scarf and taste the food and see if it is salty or sweet. You can play this game with your mommy or daddy. Have a piece and tell mommy if it is sweet or salty. You can play this game. It's fun. Okay? And now we have some music to play. When I use my ears, I can hear the music. Okay, you should tell me what you are using to hear, okay, when I play the music. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Here, I'm going to play the music. You're going to tell me what you use to hear the music, okay? What did you use to hear? Did you use your tongue to hear?
No.
Did you use your eyes to hear?
No.
Did you use your nose to hear?
No.
You used your ears to hear. Duty has a trumpet. She would like to play this trumpet for you. Duty, can you come? She's busy eating. Here. Okay, can you play? Sit down, sit down. Play it. Ood, ood. Okay. So friends, Rian, Ahana, what did you use to hear? Isabel, Margot, did you use your ears? Yeah? Say yes. Okay. Friends, okay. Should we do the freeze dance? What do you, so friends, you can do this game at home, okay? You can play the 5 senses game at home. So we will discuss about the sense of touch, sense of what else? Sight and sense of smell probably on Thursday with Miss Preeti, okay? So I will send you a mail about the same. So should we do the freeze dance? It's been a long time since we did the freeze dance.
No, we have done every day.
No, we are not doing it.
No.
Okay. I want to do the freeze dance today. Uh-oh, I'm getting lots of freeze dance here. I don't know what to do. Give me a second, friends. I have to go to YouTube.
No. Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Sorry for the delay. Okay. Freeze. Ready to dance with me? Who's ready to dance with me? Brylan, are you there?
Fighting's not
Everybody ready?
Dad.
Diti, let's dance. Ready? To dance. You freeze. When I say dance, you dance.
Dancing, dancing.
All around. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing any way you think. But stop when I say freeze. Get ready. Hop. Hopping, hopping all around. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Hopping any way you think. But stop when I say freeze.
Somebody.
Get ready to skip. Skipping, skipping all around. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Skipping any way you think. But stop when I say freeze.
Somebody.
Twirl. Twirling all around. Twirling, twirling, twirling. Twirling any way you think. But stop when I say freeze. Get ready to dance. Dancing, dancing all around. Dancing, 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 dancing. Stop when I say freeze. Ah.
Upside down.
Okay, that was cool. Yeah. Okay, friends, what do you want to do next? Do you want to play the sticks or clap your hands?
No. Clap your
Okay.
hands. Play the stick.
Somebody said clap your hands. Do you want to clap your hands?
No, my leg.
Okay, you can play the sticks if you want to.
Oh, the
I like to clap my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you all clap your hands for me? Rian, Margot, Brylin, Ahana, Isabel. I like to clap my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to clap my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap them very softly, Isaac. 2, 3, 4. Clap them very loudly. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Anytime, anywhere, I like to clap. I like to clap my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any kind of weather, when we are together, I like to clap.
1, 2, 3, 4. Clap.
Yay! Everybody are busy eating. I like that. Duty is turning back, having something and coming back to the circle. It's funny. Okay. Friends, get ready to jump up and down. Friends, Ahana, ready to jump up and down? Friends, jump up and down. Jump up and down. Jump up and down. Friends.
Clap your hand fast and slow. I want to do that.
That is done. Okay, now we'll do it faster. Friends, jump up and down. Jump up and down. Jump up and down. Friends, jump up and down. Jump up and down. It's time to say bye-bye.